Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can enable show server latency being in Modern Warfare 2019 or 2020 or 2021. So what you want to do is just be here in Modern Warfare, click here on options, and you're gonna see right here, click on general, scroll down below, and you're gonna see right here server latency. Just click here on enable. And this is how we do it. So again, you are in a Modern Warfare, click on options, server latency, enable. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, goodbye.